Welcome Algebra 2 students to class today on this Wednesday the 2nd. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to take a quiz today and learn some more math. Let's jump right into today's announcements. This is my only way of communicating with you guys, so please listen carefully. Here we go. First of all, there will be a test next Tuesday. Okay? A test next Tuesday. I have not heard from anyone, so everyone is taking the test next Tuesday. At this time, please turn in your homework from yesterday. Make sure your name is on it, and please turn that in now. Incomplete. Okay, there are no incompletes, so we're good there. Now today, we're going to take a quiz and we're going to take notes. The notes video is not really that long, so you might have a little bit of free time. Please use this time wisely and in a mature manner. The video today is about yet another way to solve systems of equations. Now this time, we will be using matrices and a method called Cramer's rule. It is a simple method that uses determinants of square matrices, so hopefully you have learned well in the past how to find the determinant of a matrix. Now, there's a teaching video. It's about 20 minutes long, okay? Kendra and Hope, I owe you guys an apology. Kendra, I was grading papers tonight and I tried to take care of your stuff very well, but I set your quiz down and somehow there was a spot on the table and it got some grease on your quiz. I apologize. There's nothing I can do. I do try to be careful with y'all stuff, but I am sorry. Hope, I don't know why I had your name on the incomplete list. You have a average, so I took that off and I've corrected your grades, but if you have an A average, you do not have to turn homework in. So I apologize on those two mistakes, guys. Okay, I would like to remind you guys that your behavior needs to be sharp. Okay, this class is a privilege. It's something Mr. Harmon has allowed now for 2 years, and so it's important that we behave well so that this class can continue. Okay. At this time, let's go over your quiz for today. Now remember, if you're in the room, then you need to take it, all right? It must be finished before first hour is over, and you must place it in Miss Carol's hand. If you come in late, you should still take the quiz, unless you're really, really late, and I will check the office to see when you checked in, okay? There was a situation earlier this year I never told you guys about, where a student contacted me and told me a certain time they checked in. Well, I contacted the office, and there was about a 20-minute difference between when they told me they got in the room and what the secretary had written down in the office. So, guys, I didn't say anything because it wasn't a quiz day, and I was really busy that day. But it was one of the students in the Algebra 2 class. So, guys, if you come in late, I check on all that stuff, so make sure you're doing what's right, okay? It must be finished during first hour. Also, please make note that up top on your quiz, I put the wrong number. So please pause right now and change the quiz number 9 to quiz number 10, okay? Thank you. All right, moving on. Let's take a look at your quiz. Go ahead and pause the video. Make sure you have a quiz on your desk, and then restart the video once you have a quiz on your desk. Okay, it's exactly what I told you would be on the quiz. You're solving a matrix equation, so solve that. And number 2, you're using an augmented matrix to solve the given system. Okay, so at number 2, you must show all of your work. And you know number 2 is going to take about 10 or 15 minutes. If you don't get an answer that's correct, please don't erase your work. I show a ton of grace and mercy on those if you're showing all of your work and you show me you know what you're doing. So please do not erase your work unless you're going to start the whole problem over and work it again. That's fine. But if you do that, don't erase your work the second time. Leave your work on there for 1 and 2 so that I can give you partial credit, okay? That's all for today, students. Please get to work on your quiz and your notes. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.